I am the first brand ambassador for Federal Bank, and I feel very proud of that.
Happens कि suddenly हमने विद्या जी को ले लिया तो अभी हम सब अभी नारी शक्ति का मास्क लेके जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं है कुछ.
Actually, I can't say partnership, not yet.
So we have the largest share of the non-resident business among private sector banks.
कितनी औरतें हैं जिनको ये भी नहीं पता है कि उनके पास कितना पैसा है. Really, money gives you buying power, not just in terms of material things, not just in terms of houses. It gives you security. किसी बेटी के पैदा होने पर पहले उसके नाम में बैंक अकाउंट खोला जाए.
As they take their seats, may I also request our friends from the press to be kindly seated. विनती करना चाहेंगे कि आप सभी बैठ जाएं. The proceedings further will be taken over by Shri MVS Murthy. Our friends from the press who have questions as well, the mics will be passed on to you for the questions, but फिलहाल अभी के लिए we'll just hand it over to our core crew on stage.
All right, thank you very much, everybody. As you see, there are many firsts on this table, and I'll tell you how there are many firsts. Our boss, KVS Manian, is the first Indian private banker to be MD and CEO of Federal Bank. Our ex-CEO was also with an MNC, so Manian, welcome and thank you for signing this check for me. Vidya Balanji is our first brand ambassador, and I can tell you it's not just me, but everybody in the company, 16,000 of us are super stoked to have her. And I must tell you this, that a lot of people who I've met in the industry, and we've been speaking about it in, hush-hush tones, have told me that she's just the perfect fit for you, for the brand. I am incidentally the first CMO of Federal Bank, and it's the first Wednesday of March. So many firsts which are happening now. And I'm sure you'll have a lot of questions. We are very happy to take them. So I'll throw the floor open to all of you, and then between Manian and Vidya and me, we will respond to all of you. Thank you very much. That's Ankur from ET Now. He's there.
Thank you so much, among many first, giving me chance for asking the first question. So first of all, congratulations to Vidya Balan and to Federal Bank for this partnership. My obvious question first is, what does this partnership means to you, Vidya? And to Mr. Manian, I want to ask, generally, when these kind of partnerships are done, a brand ambassador is hired, there is an expectation in terms of growth in business. So what do you expect from that?
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here. Today is very special because, like he just said, I am the first brand ambassador for Federal Bank, and I feel very proud of that because very much like Federal Bank, my roots lie in Kerala, but I work and I've spread my wings all over the country and received a lot of love. So I'm hoping that that love also gets shown to Federal Bank, because Federal Bank is, in my own personal experience, is a bank that inspires trust. You know, there are I've met lots of people who are multi-generational customers, and that doesn't happen very often. So this is a brand that marries both technology and the human interpersonal relationship, because काफी बार हम देखते हैं कि आजकल सब कुछ डिजिटाइज हो गया है, तो सब कुछ हम ऐप से कर लेते हैं, पर कभी-कभी लगता है कि you know, I just want to speak to someone. I just want to get their advice on what I'm doing. For example, on your investments. At Federal Bank, you have both. I think that is very, very rare. So, मुझे बहुत खुशी है because I feel that it's a true marriage of values. It's almost like, I don't know whether Federal Bank espouses the values I stand for, or I espouse the values that Federal Bank stands for. So I do think this is a very valuable partnership and association. Actually, I can't say partnership, not yet. But association, so I'm very, very happy to be here today.
But
Thank
thank you
you.
for that financial correction. She didn't say partnership, but an association. Thank you.
You asked about the Federal Bank's objective in doing this. You know that Federal Bank has been a strong brand in Kerala, and over the last few years has also forayed into the rest of the country and has aspirations to build the brand across the country and get that national positioning for the brand. And obviously, that means growth outside our core territory. Some of the things that Vidya already said, you know, we think that the brand, the ethos, the values it stands for, its personality has a lot in common with a person like Vidya, and therefore we thought it was a good combination to make. And good association to make, as we said, and obviously this means we really believe that a brand ambassador like Vidya will take us. She transcends the north-south divide. For the brand, we also want to do that going forward, and therefore we think our objectives are well served in this association with Vidya.
Hello. Hi, Vidya ma'am. What does financial independence mean to you as a woman? You know, in most of the families, the men are already doing the thing. Here. Yeah. So what does a financial independence mean to you as a woman? Because most of the men are doing it in the household and all.
No, we couldn't hear the last part of your question.
What does
Most-
financial independence mean to you?
as a woman?
As a woman, I think, you know, I realized a few years ago that money is power, and it's not just important for you to earn money. You have to be in charge of your money. You have to decide how to spend your money, how to save your money, how to invest your money, and how to grow your money. So I think that, because money power gives you the strength to be able to take on decisions for yourself, unapologetically, fearlessly. Because कितनी बार हमने सुना है कि especially when it comes to women, right? वो क्योंकि उनके पास और कोई जरिया नहीं है. They stay on, for example, in marriages that are not working for them. People are not able to chase their dreams and, for example, give up a job and do something, a long desired passion, because they've not taken care of their money. So I think financial independence is very empowering. It is key, in my opinion, for every individual, and that much more for every woman. जब मेरी शादी हो रही थी, तो मेरे पापा ने कहा, अच्छा अब शादी हो रही है. He used to handle my finances. He said, now let your husband handle it. I said, hello, where am I in all this? You know, why won't you trust me with handling my own money? I said, it's great, you know, that Siddharth is always there for me to take advice from. But, and my father's also there, but I said, I want to start taking charge of my money. And he said, but you don't know anything. You've never taken an interest. I said, I'll make a start now. और मैंने शुरू किया समझना कि, you know, we all love the smell and the touch of money, but actually to handle your money, to know what to do with it, how much you have primarily. कितनी औरतें हैं जिनको ये भी नहीं पता है कि उनके पास कितना पैसा है. So, you know, that started, my relationship with money started changing. As I took charge, my money started growing. I have to be honest with you.
So, like you just said, you know, money is power. So, what does money actually mean to you, and what do you have to what?
I love money.
And what?
Who doesn't?
Okay.
No, what does really money gives you buying power, not just in terms of material things, not just in terms of houses. It gives you security. You know, it allows you to lead the life you want to be leading. Once that is taken care of, you know, money is not the be-all and end-all of happiness, but we all know that money is a very crucial component. If that is taken care of, then you can actually live your life to the fullest, in the truest way possible that you want to. And सबके पास बहुत से ज़्यादा पैसा होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. But you have to have enough to make you feel that I'm self-sufficient. कि मैं अपने आप में, you know, काफ़ी हूँ. I'm enough. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
हाय मैम, पहले तो आपको बहुत ढेरों सारी बधाइयाँ फेडरल बैंक के एम्बेसडर बनने के लिए, और फेडरल बैंक को भी. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है मैम कि वुमेंस डे आ रहा है, आपकी तरफ से जैसे आपने ऐसे बोला कि वुमेन किस तरह से फाइनेंशियली आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो उनमें हिंदी में कहें तो जागरूकता नहीं है फाइनेंशियल चीज़ों को लेके. छोटी छोटी बचत करती हैं वो अपने घरों में, कहीं डब्बों में छुपा के रखती हैं, कहीं कुछ रखती हैं. कोविड के दौरान बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी ये सामने भी आई थी. तो आप क्या कहेंगी ऐसी वुमेंस के लिए जो मिडिल क्लास हैं, जो अपने घर में छोटी छोटी सेविंग करती हैं, क्या उन्हें बैंक की तरफ आना चाहिए, और अपनी मनी को किस तरह से, जैसे आपने बोला ना, ग्रो कैसे करना है, इसको लेके आप क्या बोलती हैं, और खुद का इन्वेस्टमेंट कहाँ करना पसंद करती हैं ये. और एक फेडरल बैंक से क्वेश्चन है सर, कि आपने नो डाउट फर्स्ट एम्बेसडर चूज़ किया है, जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि कुछ ग्रोथ भी देख रहे होंगे. सिचुएशन जो चल रही है आजकल, उसको देखते हुए बैंक्स की तरफ से क्या पॉलिसीज़ हैं, और वुमेंस के लिए क्या कुछ नई पॉलिसीज़ आप लोग लेके आएंगे, कुछ ज़्यादा ब्याज दर के साथ, या कुछ अलग से? काफ़ी बैंक्स देते हैं और दे रहे हैं. आपका इस पर क्या योजना है, कह सकते हैं, क्या आगे प्लान है सर? थैंक यू सो मच.
आपने विमेन के बारे में बात की. मैं पहले आपको ये बता दूं कि हमारे वर्कफोर्स में 43% आर विमेन, एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट परसेंटेजेस दैट एनी बैंक इन इंडिया हैज़. तो विमेन हमारे लिए सिर्फ प्रेजेंटेशन की बात नहीं है, हम एक्चुअली इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. 43% ऑफ आवर वर्कफोर्स इज विमेन. So that is one. Second, we also have specific products and programs for women in our product suites, and we always look at women as a segment which is very, very important. Even in an NR segment, we have a product called NR Eve, because काफी non-resident people have their families back here and they work outside. So we always think of the women when we think of products, and it remains very central to us. So women हमारे लिए केवल एक बोलने की बात नहीं है, हम एक्चुअली इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं.
मैम, आपसे आंसर चाहिए. पहला तो आप क्या कहेंगी, खासकर फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस आपने बताया, लेकिन जागरूकता को लेके जो वुमेंस में बहुत, जो वर्किंग है उनमें है, लेकिन बहुत सारी ऐसी हैं जो वर्किंग नहीं है, गृहिणी हैं, उनको लेके, और आप कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करना पसंद करती हैं, ये बताइए.
आई थिंक हम सबको जागरूकता फैलाने की ज़रूरत है. एज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर फॉर फेडरल बैंक, मैं वो ऑफ कोर्स मेरा काम वही होगा, पर वी आर नॉट जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट फेडरल बैंक, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वुमेन एट लार्ज, राइट. और मुझे लगता है कि कितनी अच्छी बात होती कि किसी बेटी के पैदा होने पर पहले उसके नाम में बैंक अकाउंट खोला जाए. This would be my शुरुआत. And I'm saying you should not even require a minimum balance to have, to open an account in the name of a newborn girl child. That's the least we can do to make sure that they are comfortable with having their own bank accounts. फिर वो सोचेंगे काफी आज तो बहुत लोगों के पास देश में बैंक अकाउंट्स हैं. 5-7 साल पहले तक वो नहीं था, पर आज वो सिचुएशन बदल गई है. और मैं यही चाहूंगी कि दिस इज माई ड्रीम फॉर एवरी गर्ल इन द कंट्री कि बिकॉज हम कहते भी हैं कि लड़की लक्ष्मी होती है, तो उसकी शुरुआत ऐसे क्यों ना, बाय इन्वेस्टिंग इन हर, इवन इफ इट्स आई एम सेइंग 100 रुपीज 1000 रुपीज, जितना आपसे बन पड़े आप वो अकाउंट खोलो. सो शी इज कंफर्टेबल विथ इन्वेस्टिंग in herself, for herself, by herself. ये बहुत जरूरी है. यहाँ से हम अगर शुरुआत करेंगे तो धीरे धीरे women will begin to understand the power of that money. Women will begin to value themselves more. You asked me about money a little while ago. I think money is value for oneself also. So this would be, I think उस तरह से हम लोग जागरूकता फैला पाएंगे. What else did you ask me? One more thing.
मैम आप कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करना पसंद करती हैं, किस तरह के इन्वेस्ट?
मैं तो बहुत डाइवर्सिफाइड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में इन्वेस्ट करती हूँ, पर आई फील वेरी प्राउड टू से कि अब मैं ये कह पाती हूँ. 10 साल पहले जब 10 साल नहीं 12 साल पहले जब मेरी शादी हुई, जब मेरे पापा ने मुझसे ये कहा कि तुम तो कुछ जानती नहीं हो, यू ऑलवेज सेड मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, मैंने वो बदला. एंड टुडे आई नो वेयर आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग माई मनी, आई मेक माई ओन डिसीजंस. ऑफ कोर्स काफी बार मैं अपने पापा से एडवाइस लेती हूँ, सिद्धार्थ से एडवाइस लेती हूँ, पर फाइनल कॉल इज व्हाट आई टेक अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ माई फाइनेंशियल कोच. एंड इट्स ग्रेट टू बी हैंडलिंग योर ओन मनी. लड़कियां औरतें घर चलाती हैं, उस तरह से देखा जाए तो हम देश चला रही हैं. So the impossible is nothing for us.
थैंक यू मैम.
मैं 2 पॉइंट्स ऐड करना चाह रहा हूं जो मनियन सर ने आपको बताया, एंड दिस इज द नुएंस ऑफ द ब्रांड. जब सर ने बताया कि हमारे यहाँ पे 43% 42% विमेन वर्कफोर्स है, एक और उसके साथ अंक जुड़ता है कि हमारे यहाँ पे जो एट्रिशन है वो 4% से कम है. आवर एट्रिशन इन द वर्कफोर्स इज लेस देन 4%. दिस इज ऑल्सो एन इंडस्ट्री हाई. Now, when you connect it back to the women, industry low, sorry. When you connect it back to the women, it means that these ladies have joined us as probationary officers, as clerks, and have had full-fledged careers in which they've had marriages, kids, in-laws falling unwell, parents falling unwell. It tells you very, very strongly about how the work culture is. So DEI has come of age today, but I think here is a bank which has been practicing DEI for over the last 90 years. So it tells you very strongly about the brand. मेरे बारे में और मेरी टीम के बारे में हम लोग जब भी एड्स बनाते हैं, आप टिपिकली देखोगे फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज के एड्स जो हैं उसमें 2 जेंटलमैन होते हैं जो हाथ मिलाते हैं. द हैंडशेक इज द मोस्ट फेमस इमेज ऑफ अ फाइनेंशियल सर्विस एड अपार्ट फ्रॉम अ पिज्जा, इफ यू जॉग योर मेमोरी. बट यू विल सी दैट कॉन्शियसली इन अ लॉट ऑफ आवर एडवर्टाइजिंग देयर आर women. In fact, I reject creatives from my team in which there is only a man which is there. And to that extent, when Manian mentioned about the NRI Eve account, it is actually meant for somebody who could be a homemaker but could be a woman in her own right because she's going out and investing, she's quit a active corporate life. क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा women को corporate lens से देखते हैं, but a lot of work which a woman does is not in a corporate kind of situation, but even otherwise. I mean, I can tell you about my mom. She was a teacher, and the fact that I'm sitting and talking to you here is because she worked through and through. So there are a lot of nuances. I'm just trying to bring around the brand, that it is not कि it is happens कि suddenly हमने विद्या जी को ले लिया तो अभी हम सब अभी नारी शक्ति का मास्क लेके जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं है कुछ.
मैं एक और बात कहना चाहती हूँ. 2011 में जब डर्टी पिक्चर रिलीज हुई, उसके बाद मुझे बहुत सारे एंडोर्समेंट ऑफर्स आए, उसमें सिर्फ बैंक और कार मिसिंग था. तो मैंने अपनी टीम से कहा कि अरे मुझे एक बैंक एंडोर्स करना है, I want to be brand ambassador for a bank. और I said it's अजीब है कि कोई बैंकिंग किसी बैंक से मुझे ऑफर नहीं आया. तो they said okay, we'll speak to the few banks that we know hire brand ambassadors. And then I was told, you remember that, Shanti? Bank after bank said, nee, you know, we don't want a woman brand ambassador because financial decisions are not made by women. And I feel so proud today as brand ambassador for Federal Bank that that narrative is changing. And I hope, hopefully there's a car endorsement also soon. You know, because we need to drive our own stories. We need to be in charge of our narratives. I feel very, very happy today. मुझे suddenly ये ध्यान आया.
So, to borrow from your industry, हर इश्क का एक वक्त होता है. वैसे हर विश का भी एक वक्त होता है.
Yes.
आपका वो विश कामयाब नहीं हुआ, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि कमजोर था, उसका वो वक्त नहीं था.
Correct,
That
correct.
happened on 5th of March 2025 with Federal Bank.
Absolutely.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
First, a compliment. You're looking very pretty and
Thank you.
I wanted to know, is there any investment which you regret doing?
I've only ever regretted investments of time in often when it's not brought me joy. You know, sometimes you end up doing a film. Sometimes you end up spending time with people who you feel don't really add anything to your life, but you feel you must do it. And today I think I'm also at that age. I think post 40 women just feel liberated and free. You know, I don't do anything that I don't want to be doing. Of course there are otherwise, you know, छोटा मोटा कुछ खरीद लिया और आपको लगता है यार मैंने क्यों खरीदा. वैसे I'm not a big shopper or anything, but कभी कभी वो होता है. But when you talk about, I think the only investments sometimes I regret are the ones where I've invested time and energy, because that's also money.
Absolutely. And which is your favorite financial instrument?
I think mutual funds.
सही है.
Yeah, सही है.
Thank you. Thank you.
हेलो
Hi.
या एज एन दिव्या है तो वहाँ लक्ष्मी आनी जरूरी है. दैट इज व्हाट द सेइंग इन.
Thank you.
एज एन शेयर होल्डर्स, व्हाट विल बी योर से फ्रॉम द बैंक और फ्रॉम योर एंड?
You don't say, let money take that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sorry, but
Just,
No, of course.
I said earlier, I genuinely feel that Federal Bank as a bank is very well poised for a breakthrough moment from here. Yeah? And we do believe that having built a franchise over last 90 years, we are in a good position to break through into the top 5 banks that we want to be. That is the ambition the bank has. And of course, if it becomes top 5, it is not only about the bank, it is about all the stakeholders of the bank, including its shareholders, its depositors, its employees. I do believe that taking the bank to that league will benefit all of them. So let's enjoy that journey over the next 5-6 years in taking the bank to the next league.
And I feel Federal Bank is powering the Indian story and taking it, you know, for example, they started in the south, they're slowly moving northwards. It'll be national at some point, and who knows, global even sooner.
Yes.
Good luck to us for that.
So, just on the global part, I want to add that we have a very significant presence in the Middle East. Manian?
Yeah. So, since you just mentioned global, I think it's important to tell. We are probably the largest private bank in the non-resident business. So, we have the largest share of the non-resident business among private sector banks, 1. 2, 20% of remittances, private remittances, individual remittances that happen into the country are routed through Federal Bank. We have the largest share in the country of that remittance. So in some ways, beyond India, of course, the non-resident population, we are also one of the favorite banks for the non-resident population of the country. And to that extent, we transcend beyond India's borders and do bank for many people who live abroad.
Manian, the remittance business is what, $130 billion coming into India?
Yes, and like I said, 20% of that remittance happens through our bank, which through our partners and all that we route that remittance into India. Yeah.
Congratulations, madam, for being the brand ambassador of Federal Bank.
Thank you.
My question is regarding senior citizens. Which is the ideal way of saving money for senior citizens, whether it is fixed deposits or investing in share market or purchase of gold or real estate? I am expecting answer from all three.
Yeah, you know, my job as brand ambassador is to...
Financial experts can...
No, they should be answering that because they strategize, they know the business of making money grow, of keeping our money safe. I will convey that to you.
Let me segue you into an answer. You know, you mentioned about your parents, your dad doing your investments, and then, you know, at a point in time it was Siddharth and you. But if now on the flip side, if you were to advise mom and dad, where should they go out and do it? So you could probably answer him in that context. Of course, Manian will tell you about products which senior citizens should look at.
I think you were asking me what is... I didn't pay attention to the question because I was like...
Where senior citizens invest is what he wants to know. In your case, now you're advising your parents. Kahan invest karna chahiye?
Oh my God. I'll ask my financial coach for her advice and then I will decide. But I do think that mutual funds are the way to go today. Am I right on that?
We should diversify, so you're right, but Manian will add to
Yeah.
what we say.
No, so, you know, as your risk appetite theoretically should go down. Financial advice is never, it's always tailor-made to a person and to a individual as well as to a section, right? You cannot apply the same rules to everybody. But broadly speaking, as you age and depending on your level of financial security, your risk appetite should change. So if your financial security is moderate and you are aging, you should generally tend to safer instruments like FDs and products like that. But if your financial security is good and you are aging, you may still want to keep a significant part of your, not significant, but some part of your investments in equities. And a good way of putting into equities is, of course, mutual fund equities. So I would say, overall, as you age, you should shift to safer instruments. FDs is one of them. But in general, move to more balanced funds rather than, let's say, pure equity funds, things like that. So principle-wise, yes, but like I said, depends on your financial security and your financial needs on a month-to-month basis, right?
Yeah, so you know, I would have, from my limited understanding, I would have said more debt, less equity.
Yes.
Yeah, I was just...
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We have forms for you to open Federal Bank accounts for those of you who don't have accounts already. Thank you very much.
So that's exactly why we want to tell you कि रिश्ता आपसे है, सिर्फ ऐप से नहीं. Thank you for saying that.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think I have to bring that up since you have. Rishta aapse hai, sirf aap se nahi, you know. While the younger generations, millennials and your Gen Zs are more comfortable with apps, what I find is that people from an older generation want that personal. Yeah? And
even the young people want a person. A large part of our mental health issues is क्योंकि हम लोग bot परेशान हैं, BOT. Because everything is a conversation with a bot.
Yeah.
And the youngsters are more stressed because they don't have people to talk to. Life cannot be in an autopilot mode.
Right.
So contrary to what popular belief is that while they may be, you know, comfortable with the apps, the stress is because they don't have mama, papa, they don't have a friend, best friend to go to.
Right.
And hence this balancing is important. I mean, you know, you in your business or industry, you need to be absolutely fit. But too much of notification, कि अभी आपकी सांस फूल रही है, अभी it really makes you anxious.
Yeah.
So,
No, absolutely. No, that's not what I meant. I'm saying, you know, this beautifully bridges the gap for even someone who, I remember you told me about an incident where, I actually saw it in one of your ads, where one of the customers brought a wedding card to the...
it's a true story.
Yeah,
It's a true
yeah. To invite the bank official for her wedding. She wanted to do it personally because she felt the banker had, you know, really contributed to her life and supported her in so many ways beyond just handling her money. But I feel this is, you know, when there's a mix of both, all generations, which is why I guess you have the multi-generational customer base. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for your
Thank
time.
you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, gentlemen. We come to the end of the press conference. Thank you so much for being here. Once the photographs are done with, we take a quick break as we will continue with the rest of the agenda for the day.